Sunshine, I'm really excited because today we're going to be unboxing a new subscription box on my channel, and this box is called the Flourish Box. I love this packaging so much. It's so simple and so bold at the same time. This box is from a company called Thread and Flourish. Basically, the Flourish Box will run you $39.95 every 2 months, which runs to be around $20 every month. That's just my guess. Math mating. Remember, I'm not good at math, but basically that'll run you around $20 every month. And in each box, you get 3 items. You get a scarf and 2 other accessories that are ethically sourced. So basically, in this box, Thread and Flourish promises to deliver products that were handmade, but they weren't handmade at the cost of somebody else's freedom. They weren't handmade at the cost of somebody else's livelihood. All of the items in this box are helping small countries and small communities to rebuild or even build themselves without, slave trade, without cruel and unusual punishment, without any of those horrible things that make you stay up at night. At least me sometimes. They go, how am I, and the things that I consume, how am I damaging the lives of innocent people that I don't even know? So I think that's really, really cool. I know it's something that I sit here and I think about a lot. It says sustainable fashion, ethical style. So I think I've never seen a box like this ever on the market before. So I'm really excited to sit here and get my hands on it and show you guys what's in this box. I have no idea. I'm really excited. So I'm opening it up and it says Flourish Box in Bloom 2018. I love this color. This is such a pretty, pretty color. Okay, so here we go. We're unboxing the box and I'm really excited to see what is in this. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to pull out is the scarf. Okay, I love this. This is so summer. Oh my goodness. It's like, I don't know how to describe the feeling of it. It's a very smooth feeling. And this is a very large scarf. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous scarf. I don't know if you guys can see the pattern. Wow. I don't know. It feels so cool that this scarf was made by somebody who has a story that I don't even know about. Like, somebody probably spent a couple hours sitting here making the scarf and they have a story that I don't even know, and it's in my hands and I have a story that they don't even know. So it's really, really amazing how, like, 2 people who don't even know each other, how their lives connect in small manners, such as like holding a scarf, making a scarf. This makes me feel so cool and excited. Life is such an amazing thing. So this is a scarf. I don't really know how to describe this color other than maroon. So we've got the maroon trim and maroon flowers and this very light lime green leaves with blue outline. So this is what this scarf looks like. It is so pretty. Totally doesn't match my shirt, but we're gonna work it anyway, girl. We are gonna work it. Oh, girl. Fashion. I just made it into an infinity scarf and sitting here thinking I haven't actually seen anybody wear an infinity scarf since I was in middle school. So are infinity scarves even a thing anymore? I don't know, but this would look so pretty with like a cream or white blouse or even just like a tank top. It's so delicate and very, very feminine, and I don't know. I'm really excited about it. It's not really the type of style that I wear often. However, when I'm looking for those more feminine days where I'm feeling petite and I'm feeling delicate, this is something that I'm totally, totally rocking. I love this, and I love the message behind it so much. Like, I know some of you guys are gonna be like, $40 every 2 months for a scarf and like 2 other things. Like, yeah, I get that, especially if you're somebody that's on a budget. Like, totally get that. But like, I do have a bit of an excessive income and I can spend my money on these types of things. And so knowing that I'm helping build a better world and I can still have a little bit of fun and expand outside my comfort zone in terms of fashion, I don't know, it's fun and exciting for me. So let's see what else is inside this box. Next thing that I'm taking out is this super cool bracelet. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Let me get it on my wrist and I can show you guys. Wow. Oh my gosh. I even have some wiggle room. I mean, I have like average size wrists. Literally the largest part of my body is my thighs. But look how pretty this is. It's gold. I think I would like to tighten it a bit for my own personal comfort or bring it down. There we go. I brought it down on my arm so it looks like this. That's really, really pretty. And the last thing in this box are these Blue Poppy Bath & Body Lilac Blossom Bath Salts. Okay, so I thought everything in this box was going to be accessories, but it turns out we got a little bit of skincare relaxation in here too. Dead sea salt, Epsom salt, dendritic salt, fragrance, and color from bluepoppybath.com. Oh my gosh, that literally smells so amazing. This literally just sent me straight back to like childhood flashbacks where I was walking around in my best friend's backyard smelling lilac and honeysuckle. And this is exactly what that smells like. It smells like the combination of lilacs and honeysuckle and that very delicate and sweet combo. I love this. So I want to read about everything that's in this box. So basically it says, in bloom 2018 Flourish Box. Treat yourself this May, it's July, with our spring-themed Flourish Box. Your Flourish Box contains fair trade, sustainable products and supports the artisans, farmers, and laborers that make them. Workers receive fair wages, safe working conditions, continued training, and education. That is why I love this box so incredibly much. Like, they're not just like out there to sell you a cheap product and like, you know, send a box your way and get your money. Like, they're looking to sustain small businesses and farmers and all the like blue collar people that we really don't think about too much, that keep our economy, that keep the fun parts of the world up and going. So I really think it's cool that they're not only doing that, but they're also making sure that these people and their families are taken care of and that they're learning and growing from their trade. So this scarf is Cotton Silk Blooming Vine Scarf, a Thread and Flourish exclusive scarf in cotton and silk, created by our fair trade partners and artisans in India who have mastered the technique of woodblock printing, a traditional Indian art form. This is 72 inches long. The floral motif represents spring in full bloom. I said bloom and I meant to say bloom. The next thing that they're talking about is the handmade bracelets and the bath salts. So this is all one paragraph, so sorry if it sounds a little mixed up. So it says, take a relaxing bath with your handmade lilac scented bath salts by Blue Poppy. Lilac is sophisticated and lighthearted scent, great for easing anxiety. Afterward, add some polish to your outfit with this fair trade brace cuff bracelet from India, nickel free. We hope that you love your specially curated Flourish Box, love yourself, love the world. So sitting here thinking about it, this box is $39.95 every 2 months to get 3 items in your box. Sitting here thinking about it, I'm like, yeah, that is expensive. However, the products in this box help the world. And I feel like that there's so much more importance behind this box rather than to like, you know, a subscription to like Just Fab or a subscription to, you know, like one of those VIP exclusive memberships where you can get like shoes every month or something like that. So you are going to receive a scarf in every single box that you get, but the scarf is going to change up. So you're going to get 3 items in your box. And not only is like this box helping to like keep people safe and keep people educated and trained to grow in their industry, it's also helping to support families. So like just the way my mind thinks and like the butterfly effect, I got this box, some money went to some family or a printer in India, and you know, he was able to receive better education and training in his craft, therefore earn more money, which means that his sons and daughters can go to college and, you know, get out of that cycle where they're constantly, you know, families in India are constantly struggling for money and all that. And it's not just India, it's literally all over the world. It's United States, it's Canada, it's Mexico, it's China, it's Japan, like it's literally everywhere. So knowing that, like, while it is expensive, I got like 3 unique things that I don't think any other box out there would be able to send me. I'm like, sure, yeah, somebody could like totally copy this, but it doesn't have the sentimental meaning behind it. Like, I'm such a like strong supporter of small businesses. I'm such a strong supporter of handmade items, and this box hits home. And almost, I'm gonna get a little teary-eyed maybe, but I think it's so incredibly important to like support people and their dreams, and the fact that I can contribute to the world by getting and buying a box and getting stuff sent to me. I don't know, it's like a win-win in my situation, but I know that it's also helping the world. So I know that it might be a little bit more expensive, but I see the butterfly effect from the extra $10, $20, and I know that the chance that a child or family has at growing and continuing and and making a better life for themselves. I feel stupid for getting emotional, but making a better life for themselves and not being stuck in a cycle of misery is totally worth the money in my opinion. So that is it for unboxing of the Flourish box from Thread and Flourish. What did you guys think of this box? What was your favorite item? Was it the scarf? Was it the cuff bracelet? Was it the bath salts? I would love to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.